Welcome back to the workbench. Recently I asked you all if you'd like to see what I got for Christmas and birthday this year, and it seems that an overwhelming amount of you actually do. So welcome to this, my Christmas and birthday haul for 2019. Hi, I'm Matt and you're watching Model Minutes. Before I start the video, a quick shout out to my patrons. A massive thank you to you for the support that you give my channel. To find out what pledging your support means and the perks it gets you, take a look at the link in the descriptions. So today, a quick rundown of all the things that I've got for Christmas. And without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. So first up is this, a Revell P47 in 1/72nd scale. And not only did I get one, but I got two. So I am under the impression that there are two different paint schemes inside here, so I can actually build both of them. I have built the P47, this exact kit actually, before. And it was back when I first started modelling, and I remember it being of a superior quality to Airfix at the time. So it'll be interesting to see how that builds out. So let's take a look at the next one. Something a little bit different. A Hobbyboss I400. And this looks to be pretty interesting. As you can see, the instructions are on the back here, so it doesn't look like it'll be particularly complicated, and it'll be a good introduction to submarines for me, as I've not actually built one on my channel yet. So let's continue the theme of submarines, and the next one up on the workbench is this, the Revell 1/144 scale Type 23 German submarine. So a little bit of a comparison to that one, it's considerably bigger, but it doesn't look like it'll be too hard to do. So that will, again, will be quite a good introduction to submarines for me. Whilst we're talking about submarines, let's take a look at the third submarine kit that I got for Christmas. And this one is considerably larger. So large in fact that I'm not able to get it in my workspace for you to see. This is the Type 21 U-boat with interior from Revell, and I know some of you have actually asked for me to do this one, so it's quite fortuitous that this has actually come this Christmas for me. I'm looking forward to giving this one a go because of all the internal detail on there, being able to see it all. That's pretty cool, something I've not actually done before. Should be a good build. Right, I can promise you that's all the ships done, but if we're talking about ships, let's take a look at these. So, a couple of spaceships. These are the Revell Easy Build, or whatever they are, Easy Click System kits. But I think they're exactly the same as the other kits, just in like a plastic bag. I've got the Darth Vader TIE Fighter and the TIE Interceptor. I'm not anticipating that these are going to be particularly difficult to build, but I think they should be quite fun. And they'll look good alongside my X-Wings and TIE Fighters that I've already built. Before we move away from the space theme, let's take a look at this one, the German V2 Rocket in 1/72nd scale from Revell. Again, a slightly different topic to what I normally build, but this should make a very interesting video. It'll also look good displaying this next to my other kits. Another German super weapon, the Revell Me262A1 in 1/72nd scale. I remember building the Airfix one of these many years ago, the old tool Airfix one, so it'll be interesting to see how this one compares to my memory of that one. As you all know, I like to build some slightly weird and wonderful model kits, so here's the Mr. Craft Val in Pearl Harbor colours. As you know, Mr. Craft don't have the best reputation, but they're quite inexpensive in the UK, and that's why it was given to me as a gift. If I give it a shake, you can hear everything's loose inside the box there, but hopefully everything's in there. And again, that should make for an interesting model. We're nearly at the end, but not quite. A nice small little kit. I can't even pretend to be able to pronounce this. I am not a tank guy, I don't really know much about tanks, but I'm pretty sure that this one comes with a little diorama base. I feel like I do need to build more vehicles in my repertoire, so I will be looking forward to getting that one started. this is the last fixed wing aircraft that I'm going to look at today. The Stearman Cadet, a nice little biplane, all in bright yellow. Not an expensive kit, but nonetheless a very welcome gift this Christmas. And that should make for a fun and interesting build. A rotary wing aircraft, which is the Airbus EC135 ANWB. A nice little helicopter kit. As you know, I don't build a lot of helicopters. I don't think I've actually built a helicopter on my channel yet. So perhaps this will be the first one. And then finally one more kit. And then we're at the end. I saved one of the biggest till last. And it's this. I might have to zoom out a little bit so you can see it. Can't even quite see it all. It is the Revell Big Boy in 1/87 scale, also known as Hecho. I've not had a look inside the box of this yet, so I have no idea what to expect when we get in there. But as you know, I love trains. Unfortunately, this isn't a powered model. It's not going to work after I built it, but it should make a fantastic display piece. And that's it. That's everything that I got for Christmas and birthday this year. So what do you think? What do you think of these kits? I'm pretty pleased myself. It's an absolute fantastic gift haul, if I'm honest, and I can't wait to get started with them. I need to make a bit of a dent on the other kits that I haven't yet finished in my stash, but hopefully I'll be able to start some of these soon. So make sure you let me know in the comments which ones you'd like to see me build, which ones you think are the best ones here that I've got, and also don't forget that I'd like to hear what you got for Christmas this year. What did your family and friends give you? Did you get the kit that was on your wish list this year? All that's left to say is thanks for watching and your support all the way through 2019, and I'll see you in 2020.